all the participants to have taken up time on Sunday morning and join the session. Thank you so much. This also shows that how much you are interested in learning new opportunities in education field. Friends, education field is such a field which is always evergreen, and it has got always opportunities. New opportunities are coming up. Earlier, there were a lot of revolutions in the industry for agriculture, for engineering, for electronics, for IT. Now the revolution poised is for education, wherein there are a lot of changes happening in education. With the COVID-19 situation also, you can see that the education is still going on. Online students are taking admissions, and they are learning new things, and parents also want them to learn new things along with the academics. So friends, here we start. I present you with India First Robotics, which is a great business opportunity in education, in the co-curriculum education, wherein the students will learn science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in a fun learning manner. And they will also understand how the various concepts in their academic science and mathematics work in actual practical way. So this is where this opportunity will take you. To tell you something about our company, we have been in business since last 11 years, since 2009, when nobody was in robotics in India. We started robotics in India, and here we are with more than 125 centers across 7 countries, 11 states in India, and in more than 33 cities in India. We have trained more than 500,000 students. We develop our own educational robotic kits, and we manufacture them ourselves. We have an in-house R&D unit. And we all, the India First Robotics staff members, we are all very inspired and passionate about robotics and STEM education, and that's how we are building the future engineers of India. Friends, I'm very proud to tell you that we have also received appreciation letter from Mr. Narendra Modi, who was the Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2011, and also from Mr. Navanlal Vora, who was the Education Minister of Gujarat at that time. We have done a training program as well as entrepreneurship development and employment skill development program for the students in Gujarat. And Mr. Modi had appreciated the efforts that we had taken. This is our worldwide presence. We are present in Australia, US, Germany, France, Kuwait, India. Recently, we have signed up Tanzania and Kenya. We are still training them, and we still have to deliver their kits. So just before COVID, it happened, and we're in the process. This is me. My name is Vinay Kumar. I founded this company in 2009 with the vision of reaching out to every student in India and promote robotics and STEM education, because I personally believe that this knowledge, if we impart to our students, we are developing a future India which is more knowledgeable, more skillful, and will have more presence across the world in terms of research and development. These are some members of our team: Vasanti, Snehal, Kapil, Nikhil. There are more. We are a 35 people strong company. We also conduct India's first tech challenge India Championship in 2017-18 and 18-19. This was India's biggest robotics competition in association with FIRST, which is an organization from US. Companies like PTC, NRB Bearings, John Deere, Caterpillar, Qualcomm, they were our biggest sponsors for this robotics competition in 17-18 and 18-19. Robotics is another competition that we conduct along with a country called as Estonia. Estonia is a country which is near France. This is a 100% STEM educated country where all the schools are STEM initiated, and students are. There are a lot of robotics companies in Estonia, so they are also participating in promoting robotics and STEM along with us in India. These are the cities where you can see that there are 18 cities across India where we are promoting this competition. Another competition which is of pride is a competition along with Indian military. This is India's biggest military robotics and AI competition that we conduct along with College of Military Engineering, Pune. Here, the students from colleges, that is engineering colleges as well as regular colleges, they are able to work on the problems which the Indian military is facing. And this year, the problem statement was grenade lobbing robot and detecting anti-national elements through artificial intelligence. So about 86 teams had participated in this college, in this competition, and about 6 teams won the competition, 3 in the robotics category and 3 in the AI category. We are very proud that we are able to contribute this way in the competition, because this competition is built in such a way that the students would participate for the Indian military problem statement. They would develop the robot or the software for the Indian military. And there is also an opportunity for the students to start their own defense startup, because corporate companies also would be coming in and watching the competition. Also, they would be given an opportunity to support these startups. Plus, defense also has various schemes wherein they are inviting Indian startups for getting into defense, and that is where people like us who are educators and who are aggregators would promote these competitions for our students, help them to develop the product, help them to participate in the competition, and also help them to start their own startup. So it's a very good opportunity that has been created by Indian military. We are also affiliated with Science and Technology Park. We are incubating company rather of Science and Technology Park, which is supported by NSTDB, that is promoted by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. We are developing various products for COVID-19 as well as other robotics products for through this collaboration. We are also affiliated with Electronic Science Department, University of Pune, wherein we conduct faculty development programs for professors of the university and the colleges of the university. We also provide internship to students and conduct skill development programs. Now, from 22nd June onwards, that is from tomorrow onwards, we have lined up about 4 webinars for hundreds of students of University of Pune who will be joining these webinars. And after these webinars, we will be announcing various courses. So, this association takes shape in terms of introducing various technologies to the students of the university, as well as it also promotes conducting technological and skill development programs, online programs for these students. There is a university in Mumbai, that is SNDT Women's University, which is established in 1916. We are also collaborating with this university, wherein we have established a state-of-the-art robotics and IoT embedded lab, which is a center of excellence in this university at Juhu, wherein this lab will have an access to about 6,000 girls of the university for learning new technologies, participating in various industry projects, participating in the research and development, product prototyping, product commercialization, as well as we will be facilitating their startups if they want to do that. Friends, I'm very proud to also introduce to you that we have received the contract of building India's first robot museum in consortium with ESI and Cube Construction in Ahmedabad for the state of Gujarat. This project is about 125 crores worth. This is now slated to get completed by end of this year. And there are more than 180 robot exhibits wherein 3 million visitors are expected every year. We will be maintaining this robot museum for the next 5 years after the museum is completed. These are our partial client list. You can see that it's a mix of government, government as well as corporates, as well as academics, in academics against schools and universities and colleges. So, friends, as we discussed about our company, when we were talking about introducing our company, we are building India's first robot museum. We are in operations in about 7 countries. We have international partners. We have entered into military robotics. We have international exposures. We have trained 500,000 students. We have tie-up with schools and colleges, and so on and so forth. Uh, there is still a missing link, which I felt that we need to plug that missing link. When we did a lot of research and a lot of introspection during these 2 months that we got, we came out with the answer on the missing link, and the missing link was innovation. We wanted to find where the innovation is happening, because we are teaching students on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. We are teaching them robotics, but innovation was lacking, and that's where we found that the STEM plus I, that is invention, and E, that is entrepreneurship. So STEM plus invention plus entrepreneurship will give birth to innovation, and that is where we are working now. So along with robotics and STEM education, we have clubbed another new program, which is called as Invention Convention Worldwide, which is promoted by the Henry Ford Foundation from USA. And here we found that missing link, and here we felt that if we introduced Invention Convention worldwide along with robotics and STEM education, we are actually doing justice to our student, and we are completing the full circle, and we are plugging the gap of invention and entrepreneurship, because that was what missing in our business policy, or in our business line. Because, friends, we are just not doing robotics and STEM education business, but we are actually passionate about this, and we want to do great many things along with our partners like you, and contribute to the growth of our students as well as our country. So that's why we are always in the process of introspecting and reintroducing new things. So that's where we found that along with STEM, we have done STEM education for last 10 years. But in the last 10 years, yes, we have trained a lot many students. The students have also benefited out of it. But still, we felt that there is some missing link, and we found that the missing link is in the invention. We need to teach how to invent to the students, and also once they invent, they need to promote their invention as a business. So they also need to understand entrepreneurship. So here now we are presenting to you STEM education, that is through robotics, then invention education and entrepreneurship education through the Henry Ford. So how this invention convention would look like? You will have an idea about what robotics business is about, a small idea, which I'm going to elaborate further. But invention convention, you may not have much of an idea, because this is a very new concept, and this has been introduced in India for the first time. It is going on in US for last 30 years. Invention convention will look. This is a convention which is going on, wherein students, school students, as you can see in the red T-shirt, they're presenting their inventions to the visitors, that is parents and teachers and corporates who are visiting this invention convention, and they're explaining about their inventions to them. Now here, once they do that, they will be judging rounds, and then the top inventions will be selected out of it. So it's a process which goes on, but this is how the invention convention will look like. Now, what is this invention convention about? This is a global K-12 invention education program. Okay, mind you, what we are doing over here is we are teaching these students from K to 12, that is KG to 12 standard, to how to invent. Okay, how to invent a new thing. So during this invention education program, what they learn is problem identification. Once they have identified the problem, they will learn how to solve the problem. So there are classical scientific steps that they will learn for problem identification as well as problem solving. They will also learn entrepreneurship skills and creative skills, and they will build a confidence in themselves for invention, innovation, and entrepreneurship for life. How this program is shaped? This program is shaped for 6 to 12 weeks. So when I say that 6 to 12 weeks, it depends on the age category that the student is in. This is a standard-based instruction program which naturally highlights the science and engineering practices. This is offered for the category of KG to 12th standard student. This is a very flexible program, inexpensive. Uh, Here we are looking at community involvement as well as the parent involvement. And the student will get recognition at the local level, that is at the school level, city level, regional level, national level, and the global level, depending on the invention that they have made. Now, what are the benefits to the student? Uh, this is a completely student-generated process. Okay, once the student learns how to invent and he or she goes through the process of learning, then the student will identify the problem himself, and the student will also have to solve the problem themselves. Okay, once they do that, they will also, while doing that, they will be doing a lot of research, and there will be definitely an enhanced communication skill ability within them. They will also have a real life opportunity to achieve something good for all, because once they invent, that invention impact is going to be there for a lot many other people, which will be a good thing for them. It also gives an opportunity for original creativity and innovativeness, and chance to be recognized for their innovation talent. Okay, now besides all this, what is actually happening is they are also building skills that an employer is looking for, a potential employer. Now, what a potential employer is looking for is innovative person, problem solving person with good communication ability and collaboration skills. So all those also, these skills also eventually gets developed within the student. This is a inventor story which I would like to share with you. This is Mallory Kivman, who in her seventh grade, she had developed a solution on hiccups. Everyone gets hiccup, but then what we do is either we drink a lot of water or something of that sort, and then the hiccups are gone. But there are some people who have these hiccups as a condition. So she developed a lollipop which will make your hiccups go away. And then eventually she started her own company, so that a lot of people who undergo chemotherapy, who develop this kind of a hiccup problem, will get a solution on that. And this is now the hiccup solution which she worked out in the grade 7 has now turned into a company. You can verify this on hiccupops.com. You can check out this site. There is this another guy, Luca. When he was in his school days, he came across where his grandmother was in hospital, and she was struggling to communicate through her oxygen mask. So when the mask was on her mouth, she was not able to communicate with people outside, and this had a very personal effect on Luca, because here she was dying and she was not able to communicate with the visiting relatives. So after that, it left a mark on him, and he made his own message mask or tube talker, which is where he what he did was he put a microphone which is connected to a speaker via Bluetooth, and the patient and the visitors could hear the patient loudly and clearly. So this he turned into a commercial success, and he started his own company, and now he's got a lot of funding also for that. Here is Zoe, who in her 8th grade, she invented how to measure the thickness of ice. Okay, and now she's got a patent for that, and now she's studying further. So these are success stories. What we see over here, Mallory or Luca or Zoe, these are all success stories which happened in school times. Okay, here what happens is in the school days, at the age of 6, the human brain is completely developed, and once the human brain is completely developed, whatever new things are coming into that brain, it all get assimilated and acquired. So that is where we as educators, if we step in and give them a scientific knowledge of how to channelize their energy, their creativity, and their innovativeness in making constructive and productive products or things, these students, who will come with a very fresh outlook towards the world. They will look at problems differently than what you and me are looking at, and they will come out with great ideas and solve the problems. Now, what is this invention convention worldwide process? How to sign up for this is how to get on with this is you sign up as a unit affiliate. Your training and onboarding is done. You enroll schools and students. You train those students. Once you train the students, the students will go back to home. They will find the problem. They will work out a solution on that problem with the help of their parents. Once the solution is worked out, they will work out on a prototype, which they will go through a completely design thinking process, which is a very scientific process for development of various solutions, which is incorporated in our training program. And then you will announce the school level invention convention. So once that is done, once the school level invention convention is done, the top 20% entries will go to regional invention convention, and the top 20% entries of the regional ICW will go to the national one. And then the top 5 of the national teams will go to US to participate in the international ICW representing India. So this is a small, overview on onboarding. Those who are interested, we will take this one-on-one later on after the session, so that we give you all the information in detail. Now, these are the launch cities that we're looking at for the Invention Convention worldwide. In Maharashtra, Pune, Mumbai, Thane, Nasik, Kolhapur, Nagpur. In Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, and Rajkot. Madhya Pradesh, Indore, Bhopal, Gwalior, Jabalpur. Northern India, we're looking at Delhi, NCR, Chandigarh, Lucknow, Prayagraj, Kanpur, and Varanasi. Now, friends, we talked about the invention convention, and before that, I was telling you about how STEM and robotics business is being done by India First Robotics, and the reach that we have all across India. Now, when you are entering into this business, the first question comes to your mind is what is the need of this kind of a business? Now, the reason, because every business or any product will only work only when there is a need. Now, when we talk about 21st century and look around the world that we have today, it is a completely technologically bombarded world wherein there is a lot of competition, and at the same time, we are also hearing news and articles like 96% of engineers in India are non-employable. So if you collate all these pieces, and if you think that what is wrong with the student, so what we find is the education system that we have is in need of some kind of a surgery. So what is the surgery? Is that academic knowledge that the students are getting, our students also must get the other knowledge, and develop the different skills. Okay, currently what is happening is from K to 12, our students are given syllabus, workbooks, textbooks, and they're told that this is what it is, and you just learn from this. Once you do this, you will get good marks, and everyone is pressurizing our students for getting good marks. When I interact with folks from outside India, the Americans or Germans or Englishmen, they say that India is more of an examination country, because everyone is looking at examination and the preparation of examination and getting good marks. So in that process, what is happening is that the student the student's personality is not getting developed on various other life skills, which actually needs life skills like logical thinking, analytical thinking, critical thinking, problem solving ability, leadership skills, things like that. So all this will get developed through STEM and robotics. How? I will come to that. Now, when the problem comes, when we're talking about these life skills, how will the students learn these life skills? When we talk about 21st century skills, how will the students learn about these 21st century skills? Because school authorities are busy in completing their academics. They will not be able to teach other life skills. Teachers are busy in completing the school academics. Parents are busy in their office work or their businesses or earning money. Now the student is left in lurch, and that is where we step in and we teach them science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and through the robotics opportunity. Now, what we talk about this, when we talk about this robotics business and talk about the life skills, what are the life skills that are getting developed is learn by doing, because here this is a activity based learning. Here they're learning practical and hands-on experience. Here they're learning actual science, technology, engineering, mathematics concepts being working in front of them. They can check out the concepts that they learn in the school, the theoretical concepts that they learn in the school in actual working. So here they are getting futuristic technology knowledge as well as the technical knowledge of mechanical, electrical, electronics, and information technology. And because of this, the student's brain is taught or trained to think logically, critically, and analytically. And that's how all these various life skills that you see on the screen gets developed. And this is our experience for last 10 years, that we have seen students actually getting transformed, the students' personality actually getting transformed. And students are totally, what they have when before joining the course and after the program, the personality is completely different. And even the parents have acknowledged that. So now the next question is, why partner with India First Robotics? Yes, there are other players also in the market, but then before partnering with any company, you must also check out the company and the details about the company. So here, friends, we are experienced and expert robotics engineers as well as management experts. Collectively, we have more than 100 plus man years experience. We are in this field for last 11 years. So we are one of the pioneers in this in this robotics education. So whoever has come up right now, I can rest assure you that they have learned from us. We have in-house expertise. Our own R&D team. We have our own content development team. We manufacture these robot kits ourselves. As I told you, 10 plus years of experience. Myself personally, I have more than 28 years of franchising experience. So I know that the value of having a partner, and also the the reason of being more partner oriented is that because any company would exist only because of their partners. We have experience in franchising, marketing, sales, technical, robotics, and AI. We have also academics experience where, as you earlier saw, that we are collaborated with a lot of universities. So we know we know to talk their language, we know what they want, and we know how to tackle academic issues. So that's why, we are in direct tie-up with so many universities and engineering colleges as well as schools. So the same experience and the expertise will also be passed on to you. Our curriculum is quite extensive. I'll show you in the following slides. We also have our own course material, teaching presentations, builder's guides, and lab presentations. So the trainer that you employ literally have to just follow what we give them, and they will do a good job. This curriculum that we have developed is in a very simple language with effective examples. The robot kits also that we have, that is the most important thing when you start any business, that what are the weaponry that I have. So the weaponry that we give you, that is the robotic kits, these are all open source technology and kits made of open source mild steel mechanical components, easily amalgamated with outside material. You can incorporate any outside material that you have, maybe at the backyard of your home, or from outside, anything you can our robotic kits and make it more innovative. So when I say open source technology, also what I mean is that we don't use we have not used a proprietary technology for making a controller, because what I personally believe is that anything proprietary will close, or with a closed technology will also limit the child from having innovation, from doing innovation and creativity. So that's why we have kept it very open source. Our staff is always ready to help you all the time. always available. We have a very unique support methodology where we give you 15 days technical training, 3 days marketing training, and we also provide you marketing and technical support in your city at your center. So, because we believe that, I've spent so much of time in franchising, I know that, just by giving 15 days training, your trainer is not going to learn everything. So when the trainer and the marketing person will go in the market, they will definitely require some hand holding, and we are there for you for on-site support. So here we talked about why you should partner with India First Robotics. These are some programs that we have. We offer this humanoid development program to engineering colleges. We are the only company in robotics education and STEM education who's offering humanoid development, design and development training program to our students. So this is a very advanced humanoid robot with 3D camera body tracking, movable eyes with tracking, with face tracking, movable jaw while speaking, individually controlled fingers, PIR sensor, wake up on motion detection, and it has got 29 servo motors. So, here you literally develop a humanoid using artificial intelligence, image processing, and embedded systems. These are the photographs of our robotic kits. Ashokji, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these are the photographs of our robotic kits. Here, what you see is the mechanical elements. These are again manufactured by us, designed, developed, and manufactured by us. The wheels that you see on both the sides, again, these are designed, developed, and manufactured by us. The yellow gears that you see, again, these are designed, developed, and manufactured by us. Rest other components, the electronic components that you see, obviously it is from the market. So you can also find these components in your local market as well. So what I mean by open source technology is that these components are available everywhere, so that your creativity and innovation is not suffered. We have programs on drones. Generally, people want to work on bigger drones, but then with bigger drones, we have DGCA problems, wherein every pilot has to be licensed, every flight has to be registered, and things like that. So we use nano drones, which doesn't require any kind of a permission, and we train our students on designing the drones using the nano drones. And now, so these are some programs that we have. These are one-on-one training programs. The robotic workshop. Then we have, and then as you can see on the screen, there's a program name, duration, age group, and fees, and then the learning objective. So based on the age groups, we have segregated the learning objectives and the fees as well. So these are another next four. Bluetooth technology, hand gesture technology, drone making, basic embedded systems, Arduino development, Raspberry Pi development, IoT, IoT Pro Engineer, and advanced embedded developer. So 18 plus years. So this program, the 20th program that you see, the last one, is priced at 68,000. It's a very extensive program, which will help the student to either get a job or to start his own business. Now, besides that, we have started these online courses with hardware as well as only software courses. So first 5 programs on the left hand side, you can see Advanced RoboChamp, that is electronic circuit designing, Champion Light, that is electronics, basic electronics, microcontrollers, sensors, motors. Again, Challenger Light, basic electronics, microcontrollers, sensors, motors, and again servo motors are also in that. Then IoT starter program, which has got electronics, IoT board, and cloud programming. Raspberry Pi starter program, electronics, microcontrollers, sensors, and motors. So here this program is with hardware, Now, when we say with hardware, which means that these students will be sent the hardware first. The students who are taking enrollment, first they will receive the hardware and then their training program will be started. From 6 number onwards till 15, you can find that these are all software programs, software-based programs. So you look at the fees also. The fees ranges from 1,400 rupees to 4,500 rupees. These are more programs on 3D CAD modeling and additive manufacturing, wherein we teach what are the businesses that the students can do using a 3D program, a 3D printer, how to prototype, how to make prototype and how to design those prototypes and then take the further output on the 3D printer. As I told you about IoT, Internet of Things. Then industrial automation. This industrial automation program is basically for industry professionals as well as for the engineering college students. So as a businessman, you have opportunities for setting up robotic labs, for setting up IoT lab, AI, ML, DL lab setups, and industrial automation lab setups in various colleges, engineering colleges, as well as science colleges. Conduct training programs on embedded systems, basics of robotics, advanced programming languages, AI, ML, DL, vision robotics, and experience and also on industrial robotics. These are more programs. The earlier programs, the 20 number and the online courses that you saw were for school students. These are all for the engineering college students. So for the engineering college students, embedded design and development, drone design and development, bipedal robot designing, Arduino development, PCB designing, Raspberry Pi development, and more other programs, chatbot designing, Python programming, IoT, Internet of Things. So here we cater to the engineering college students as well as the science college students. So when we talk about this business, we're talking about school students as well as the college students and professionals as well. There are a lot of professionals who want to now develop, who want to now learn these new things and want to get familiar with this. We are now experiencing a phenomenon where a lot of people who are already working who have been asked not to come at the at the office because of the situation, the COVID-19 situation. They are now approaching us. One is for learning new things so that they build upon their skills and they will start, either they will start something on their own or they'll search for new job opportunities. We also teach them this computer visions, AI, humanoid design and development, and machine learning. So these are all business opportunities that you have, and these are ample business opportunities spread across. This is the only company, friends, India First Robotics, where you get such a wide range of business opportunities from school students till the working professionals. So you are catering to school students, you're catering to science college students, engineering college students, polytechnic college students, as well as the working professionals. And not only catering to them for one or two various products, but for the entire range of robotics and automation. Now coming to the most awaited part, that is what is the investment. As you can see on the screen, your investment is rupees 2 lakh plus GST one time. This is a one-time license fee. You don't have to pay any renewal. This license fee is with lifetime validity. We will train 2 of your trainers for 15 days. We will also provide you marketing training, so the technical know-how as well as the marketing training. Once that is done, the next question is, what about the course material? So we provide you with all the course material, all the technical presentations, all the lab presentations, all the builder's guide, everything, all the things that we provide. So we will train your trainers in classroom training. We will train your trainers on how to train online also, because there is a different way of doing. So there is a different set of course material and technical material for classroom training. And there's a different set of course material, technical presentation and lab presentation for online training. So all that is ready with us. All that will be shared with you. right from visiting card designs to leaflets, brochures, posters, standees, all the designs will be shared with you. So you virtually don't have to do anything. You have to just start the business. Now, when you have to start the business, the basic things that you have to do, what basic things you have to, that you have to do, how it is to be done, how to approach the market, all the training will be given to you. We will also give course completion certificate for every student that passes out of your academy. Uh, Whenever new kits that we develop, whenever new programs that we develop under India First Robotics franchise model will be available, will be made available to you at no extra cost. We will also conduct on-site training as well as on-site business development activity for you. We will also provide you with all the knowledge of all the information about the competition, the robotics competitions that we conduct, and where we recommend that your students should go. Because there are a lot of other competitions which are conducted by IIT Kharagpur, IIT Powai, IIT Kanpur, which should not be missed by our students. So we recommend the best competitions out of it. So this is about your investment, and this is about your robot kit investment. Here, as you see, from 6th year onwards till the professional students, there are various kits that you require, and the minimum or the optimum quantity that we have mentioned over here. So the total investment for robotic kits is about 3,80,000 rupees. So 3,80,000 plus 2 lakh, that is 5,80,000 plus tax. That is your initial investment with us. And from the 4th month onwards, we charge you a fixed royalty of 6,000 rupees plus tax. Now, when we talk about all this, how this comes into a business model, how does it transform into a business model? So now on this screen that you can see over here, the first row says typical average fee of student at center. So what we are looking at is having about 200 students coming to your center in a year with a fee of 6,000 rupees on an average. So that would transform into 12 lakh rupees. School training fees, where you go to school, you collect where the students are available on captive audience basis. You get, let's say, 60 students in 5 schools, so a total 300 students. In school, you get lesser fees. No, you cannot charge 6,000 rupees fee in school that you charge at your center. So in school, we charge actually more, 4,500 rupees. But for your understanding, I've kept it as low as possible. So that is 2,500. So that is one. Then robotic lab sale in various schools. So in the first year, I've considered only 3 schools at the rate of 3,50,000 rupees each. Engineering college workshops, 1,500 rupees per student, only 50 students. Engineering college in-house training, 15,000 rupees, only 15 students in a year. And online courses, 2,500 average fee, only 200 students. So the total in a year, the total revenue is coming, the earnable revenue is coming to 44,75,000. And after that, your expenses are mentioned over here for full year. As you can see, trainer cost, 2 trainers, 20,000 rupees, which is again outer side. We get trainers at 10,000-12,000 rupees. Office rental, 15,000. Marketing cost, 10,000. Travel cost, 5,000 per month. This is per month. You can multiply it by 12. You can see that 12 over here. Utility, that is your light bill and telephone bill. And royalty, which you pay. It is again considered at highest level. Okay, so here you can see 44 minus 10 lakhs, 34 lakhs is your net income. Okay, now I say that you do only 50% of it. Only 50%, you are still making 12 lakh rupees a year. That is net, after going your expenses, net 1 lakh rupees per month. So this is for the robotics. This 1 lakh, again I'm 1 lakh rupees per month, I'm saying that considering 50%, that you do only 50% of the business that I've shown here on the screen. So this is regarding the robotics business. And the invention convention business we talked about. So here you can see in the second row, in the third row it is mentioned, ICW training fees from school students. 5,625. This is the fee that you will be taking, and this is the total revenue model. So total, what we are saying is 15 schools, and each school you take only 30 students. Okay, so total 450 students. Each school we are targeting at least 100 students, but I am considering only 30 students for you. So total 450 students, 5,625. And here you can see another bold one, ICW training fees from center-based students. So 100 students total at the center, 5,625. So your total revenue over here comes to about 35 lakhs. Your expenses coming to 10 lakhs. Of course, there will be a lot of shared expenses between this business as well as the robotics business. I'm still considering both the business as separate. Considering that here your expenses is going to be 10 lakhs. So 35 minus 10, 24. Again here, 2 lakh rupees per month net. So look at the business opportunity and the earning potential over here. So here what we are offering in a nutshell over here, India First Robotics franchisee plus Invention Convention unit affiliateship. For unit affiliateship, for India First Robotics, 2 lakh rupees plus 3,80,000 for robotic kits, fixed monthly royalty of 6,000 plus tax. So total comes to 5,80,000, 375 plus GST. So here your earning potential is around 1 lakh rupees to 1 to 2 lakh rupees per month. And the Invention Convention affiliate fee is 26,250. Along with India First Robotics, we are waiving off this 26,250 in the first year. This affiliate fee is per year. The India First Robotics license fee is one time. Okay, here you have to pay monthly royalty as 15% on the revenue. And with India First Robotics, it is 6,000 fixed royalty from the 4th month onwards. So both the businesses clubbed together, you have an earning potential of about 2 to 3 lakh rupees per month net after all your expenses are gone. Okay, so we will discuss about this in detail one-on-one for whoever is interested, and we can take this forward once once the session is over. You can please send your mobile numbers and your location, the city, to Franchise Apply in their chat box. So this is what is all about. This is my contact number and my colleague's contact number. You can get in touch with us, and we can discuss more about it in person on the phone, so that we can also have a Zoom call if you like. We can explain you in detail about this opportunity, whatever clarifications that you want. We are here to give you all those clarifications so that you are clear on your queries, and it will help you to take a decision. Thank you very much, friends, for your time. I once again thank you for your patience and your time on a Sunday morning. And I really enjoyed this session with you. I hope you too have enjoyed the session. I hope I have explained all the details to your satisfaction. If you have any queries, please do ask me. I am here to solve your queries. Thank you very much.
Yes, किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में जाइए और रेज हैंड पर क्लिक कर दीजिए। किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन या कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में जाइए और रेज हैंड पर क्लिक कर दीजिए। और आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज आप अपनी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स चैट बॉक्स में ड्रॉप कर दें।
Thanks a lot, Vinay sir, for this wonderful business opportunity. Dear participants, आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है या क्वेरी है तो विनय सर हमारे साथ में हैं, तो प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में जाइए, रेज हैंड करिए या फिर चैट बॉक्स में अपना क्वेश्चन ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं। हम विनय सर से आपका क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। यस, पहला क्वेश्चन है, चलिए, रियलमी।
अनम्यूट कीजिए अपनी तरफ से। Realme 5 Pro, प्लीज अनम्यूट कीजिए अपनी तरफ से।
ओके सर।
यस सर।
हेलो।
हाँ जी सर।
हाँ, मैं सर सीतापुर से हूँ, यूपी से।
हाँ जी।
जो आपने फ्रेंचाइजी इन्वेस्टमेंट बताया, इसमें 2 लाख रुपीज तो फ्रेंचाइजी कॉस्ट है।
जी सर।
प्लस जो किट्स हैं, वो क्या सारी किट्स अगर हमारे यहाँ मतलब इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट ना हो तो
हाँ।
क्या किट्स में कुछ ऑप्शन है या नहीं?
हाँ है ना सर, अगर वैसा लगता है कि आपको अगर मतलब कॉलेजेस में कोई दिक्कत है या कॉलेजेस के लिए बाद में करना है आपको, तो
हाँ।
वी कैन रिड्यूस दोज नंबर ऑफ किट्स।
ओके ओके ओके।
मैं नो ये नेम सर।
पंकज मिश्रा
पंकज जी।
जी।
सर आप आपका नंबर भेज दीजिए तो वी विल गेट इन टच विथ यू। आपके पास मेरा नंबर भी होगा अभी।
ओके ओके ओके। यस सर।
मैंने अभी चैट में भी सबको एक मैसेज डाला हुआ है जिसमें मेरा ईमेल आईडी और मेरा मोबाइल नंबर है।
यस सर। ओके सर, थैंक यू।
जी सर।
यस पंकज जी, प्लीज आप अपना कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल चैट बॉक्स में ड्रॉप कर दें।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू।
यस, किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में जाइए और रेज हैंड पर क्लिक कर दीजिए। एम श्रीनिवासन सर, आपका क्वेश्चन था, प्लीज अनम्यूट कीजिए अपनी तरफ से। एम श्रीनिवासन।
सर चैट बॉक्स में पहला क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है मिस्टर रोहन अलवर से। हेलो।
हाँ जी सर।
विनय सर,
हाँ जी।
मिस्टर रोहन है अलवर से, वो जानना चाह रहे हैं ब्रांड यूएसपी क्या है इंडिया फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स की, अगर फ्रेंचाइज लेते हैं तो यूएसपी क्या है बेस्ट?
सर इसमें काफी सारे यूएसपीज है। वी आर इन द बिजनेस फॉर लास्ट 11 years, so we are the leaders in this market. We have got more than 130 franchises all across India as well as in 7 different countries. We have our own R&D department. Our kits are also manufactured, researched, developed, designed and manufactured by us. So हमारे जो किट्स है वो हम किसी और के किट्स यूज नहीं करते, हम खुद के किट्स यूज करते हैं। और ये किट्स हमारे मॉड्यूलर है। ये किट्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ओपन सोर्स है ये किट्स, जिसमें आप कुछ भी कोई भी बाहर की चीज ऐड कर सकते हो, उसको कट पेस्ट ड्रिल करके वो सब आप कर सकते हो। हमारे जो लर्निंग कंटेंट है जिसमें टीचिंग प्रेजेंटेशंस है, बिल्डर्स गाइड है और टेक्निकल प्रेजेंटेशन है। टेक्निकल प्रेजेंटेशन में वापस 2 चीजें हैं, उसमें थियरी प्रेजेंटेशन एज वेल एज लैब प्रेजेंटेशन। ये सारा हमारा खुद का डेवलप किया हुआ है। प्लस इसके अलावा अब इंडिया का पहला रोबोट म्यूजियम हम बना रहे हैं। तो यू नो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द टेक्निकल कैपेबिलिटीज दैट वी हैव। इसके अलावा वी आर आल्सो एफिलिएटेड विद साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया विद पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी। तो काफी सारी यूएसपीज है सर। आपको अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर क्वेरी हो यूएसपीज के अलावा तो आप मुझे बताइए। वंस यू एंटर इनटू द मार्केट विद सच काइंड ऑफ अ हिस्ट्री ऑफ आवर कंपनी, आई एम श्योर एंड वी आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग दिस एट एवरी पॉइंट कि कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटर हमारे सामने टिकता नहीं है। एंड एक सर हमने ये किया हुआ है कि प्राइसिंग हमने बहुत कम रखी हुई है हर चीज की। फी इसमें फी हो, हमारे रोबोट किट्स हो या हमारा कंटेंट का क्वालिटी हो, it is one of the best in the industry.
ओके। यस, किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन या कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में जाइए और रेज हैंड पर क्लिक कर दीजिए।
सर सेकंड क्वेश्चन है मिस्टर ऋतुराज पाटिल हैं लखनऊ से।
जी।
जानना चाह रहे हैं प्लीज एक्सप्लेन ब्रेक वन पॉइंट, कब तक वो उसकी क्वेश्चन निकाल लेंगे। प्लस सेकंड क्वेश्चन है कि कैन वी स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम आवर होम?
Yes, you can start from your home. You know, we will give you all the training and we will tell you how to do that. We'll also guide you in doing that. At every point of time, we are there to help you and to also support you and to mentor you for whatever queries you will have later on. So far as you know, the break-even point query is concerned, I'll just give you a small example. Consider 2 lakh rupees as license fee. Consider 3,80,000 rupees for the kit fee. So total is coming to 5,80,000 प्लस इसके ऊपर टैक्स लगेगा 18%. तो ये सारा आपका जाएगा 7 लाख तक. 7 लाख के अंदर ही आता है, 6.5 लाख तक आता है, लेकिन हम 7 लाख पकड़ते हैं इसको. इसके अलावा आपका महीने का खर्चा, मंथली एक्सपेंस अगर आप पकड़ोगे, सो लेट्स कंसिडर ट्रेनर, मार्केटिंग कॉस्ट, योर ऑफिस कॉस्ट, योर यू नो प्रमोशनल कॉस्ट, मार्केटिंग एंड प्रमोशनल कॉस्ट, योर मोबाइल कॉस्ट, योर ट्रैवल कॉस्ट, ये सारा अगर हम पकड़े एंड कंसिडर इट एज 50,000 रुपीज पर मंथ मिनिमम. ओके, इनटू 12 अगर हमने किया तो 12 फाइव 60, ये 6 लाख रुपया होता है. तो 6 लाख प्लस 7 लाख 13 लाख होता है. तो फर्स्ट ईयर में अगर हमको ROI निकालना है, मोटा मोटी मैंने आपको ROI का शीट दिखाया था. आई कैन शेयर दैट शीट once again with you if I have your email ID. तो अभी ये मैं आपको जस्ट मोटा मोटा बता रहा हूँ. तो फर्स्ट ईयर में जो 7 लाख आपने दिया है उसको हम आधा ही पकड़ते हैं. ये जो किट और जो आपका लाइसेंस फी है उसको हम आधा ही पकड़ते हैं. तो इसको अगर आधा हमने पकड़ लिया तो ये होगा 3.5 लाख. और ये 6 लाख जो आपका साल भर का खर्चा है, 50,000 रुपए महीना जो हमने पकड़ा था, तो ये आपका 9.5 लाख होता है. तो इसको हम पकड़ते हैं 10 लाख. तो इफ यू कंसिडर इट 10 लाख रुपीज आपका एक्सपेंस है पूरे साल का. एंड एवरेज फी अगर हमने स्टूडेंट का अगर कंसिडर किया, जो स्कूल में भी मिलता है या ऑनलाइन मिलता है या 1-on-1 ट्रेनिंग में मिलता है, ये पूरा एवरेज करके अगर हमने इसको 4,500 पकड़ लिया, तो 10 लाख को अगर हमने 4,500 पकड़ के उसको डिवाइड किया 4,500 से, तो 222 बच्चे आते हैं. Which means that with 222 kids, you will achieve your break even. So 222 बच्चे आप 6 महीने में भी कर सकते हैं, 8 महीने में भी कर सकते हैं, 2 महीने में भी कर सकते हैं. 2 महीने में नहीं कर सकते हैं, सॉरी, बट 6 से 8 से 10 महीने में आप 222 बच्चे 100% कर सकते हैं. तो आपका ये ROI जो है ये 10 महीने में आ जाता है आपका, या ब्रेक इवन जो है आपका वो 10 महीने में आ जाता है. आई होप आई हैव आंसर्ड योर क्वेरी, रितु. If you have more queries, do let me know.
Yes, Mr. Mohit. Mr. Mohit, ask your question. हेलो मोहित जी.
सर मिस्टर श्रीनिवासन जी का क्वेश्चन. हेलो
हेलो.
यस सर, मिस्टर चेन्नई से मिस्टर श्रीनिवासन जी का क्वेश्चन है. वो जानना चाह रहे हैं फ्रेंचाइज टर्म्स कितने साल का रहेगा.
सर ये विथ लाइफ टाइम वैलिडिटी है मिस्टर श्रीनिवासन. दिस इज विथ कंप्लीटली लाइफ टाइम वैलिडिटी. 2 लाख रुपीज इज वन टाइम पेमेंट. So long as your monthly royalty is coming in of 6,000 rupees per month, your franchisee license is valid. So this 2 lakh rupees is with lifetime validity. There is no renewal fee for that.
सर मिस्टर हिमांशु का क्वेश्चन है, आपके कोर्सेज कौन कौन से हैं.
सर मैंने कोर्सेज का लिस्ट दिखाया था, वापस एक बार दिखा देता हूं मैं आपको. Are you able to see my screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
या तो ये पहला ये कोर्सेज का लिस्ट आप देख लीजिए. दीज आर 1-on-1 कोर्सेज. सो रोबोचैम जूनियर इंजीनियर, पहले एक रोबोटिक्स वर्कशॉप है. रोबोचैम जूनियर इंजीनियर, विजुअल प्रोग्रामिंग जूनियर आईटी इंजीनियर, एडवांस रोबोचैम जूनियर प्रो इंजीनियर, ऐप इन्वेंटर, चैंपियन प्रो जूनियर इंजीनियर, CAD/CAM designing and 3D CAD/CAM modeling, Challenger Pro, Core Python, Advanced Python, DTMF Technology Junior Tech Master, Bluetooth Technology Junior Tech Master, Hand Gesture Technology Junior Tech Master, Drone Making, Basic Embedded System, Android Development, Raspberry Pi Development, IoT, Intermediate Engineer, IoT Pro Engineer, and Advanced Embedded Developer. ये 20 कोर्सेज है. ये 20 कोर्सेज के अलावा ये ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज है. ये ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज विद हार्डवेयर भी है एंड ओनली विद सॉफ्टवेयर भी है.
ओके, थैंक यू सर. यस, किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन या कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में जाइए और रेज हैंड पर क्लिक कर दीजिए. और सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज आप अपनी कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल्स चैट बॉक्स में ड्रॉप कर दें.
सर मिस दीक्षा है मुंबई से. वो जानना चाह रही हैं कि कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट ओपन करने के लिए किसी लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज की जरूरत पड़ेगी?
जी, आपको सिर्फ जो मुंबई का शॉप एक्ट लाइसेंस है उसको अप्लाई करना है. अगर आप प्रोप्राइटरी बिजनेस शुरू करना चाहती है तो आपको सिर्फ आपका पैन कार्ड देना है और आपको आपका आधार कार्ड देना है तो आपका, और शॉप एक्ट के लिए अप्लाई करना है. If you want to do it in partnership, then you will have to approach your CA and you'll have to get the partnership firm registered first. आपका पार्टनर के साथ एग्रीमेंट करना पड़ेगा और पार्टनरशिप फर्म रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा. तो these are the only formalities. शॉप एक्ट लाइसेंस निकालना पड़ता है सिर्फ, बाकी कोई फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं है. और बाकी फिर हमारे से एग्रीमेंट करना पड़ता है.
हेलो विनय जी.
हाँ जी.
एडमिशन सपोर्ट क्या रहेगा आपका? दीक्षा जी जानना चाह रही हैं वापस.
जी, so we keep on conducting a lot of digital marketing programs. So wherever we have contacts from your college, your area, we will share those contacts with you. For admission, again, if you require specialized support from our side, we will support you in terms of conducting seminars and lectures at your schools or colleges. जो हम आपसे one-on-one समझ के वो कर सकते हैं. We have our presence in Mumbai at Juhu and Thane, so it will be very easy for us to go and support them, our Mumbai partners.
किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन या कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में जाइए और रेज हैंड पर क्लिक कर दीजिए, या आप अपना क्वेश्चन चैट बॉक्स में भी ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं.
सर मिस्टर हिमांशु का क्वेश्चन है चैट बॉक्स में. वो जानना चाह रहे हैं मास्टर फ्रेंचाइज में कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट रहेगा पंजाब के लिए?
जी, for master franchisee, we will we'll discuss separately because there are different dynamics so far as the master franchise is concerned. We would also like to understand what what are their plans. We already have about 3 master franchises in India for Kerala, West Bengal, as well as Goa. We definitely would welcome Punjab master franchisee. We have a lot of inquiries, unit franchisee inquiries from Punjab. We can share with them. There is a lot of scope in Punjab and the upper northern region. So regarding the investments, we will separately discuss. If you can share his number to me, or sir, if you can have my number with you and you can call me separately, we can have a detailed discussion on that.
सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास में, मिस्टर निर्मल जी हैं गांधीनगर से।
जी
वो
नमस्ते।
जानना चाह रहे हैं कि इंडिया फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स, हेलो,
हाँ जी,
इंडिया फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स अदर रोबोटिक इंस्टीट्यूट से डिफरेंस कैसे है?
ओके सर, दूसरे लोगों के ऊपर कमेंट करना बहुत भारी होता है, और मैं करना नहीं चाहता हूँ, बट हम सिर्फ हमारी जो खूबियां है वो हम दिखा रहे हैं, जिसमें वी मैन्युफैक्चर आवर ओन किट्स, वी हैव आवर ओन R&D। वी जो हमारे पार्टनर्स है वो बोलते हैं कि हम उनको सपोर्ट बहुत अच्छा देते हैं। अभी हमारे पास जो इतने लोगों ने जो साइन अप किया है, तो उनको भी हम एक सलाह देते हैं, एक सजेस्ट करते हैं कि आप since you are going to invest your money, you have the right and you must look at other competitors also. So first you look at other competitors, और आखिर में आप हमारे पास आइए। सिर्फ फोन पे ये बातें नहीं होंगी, आप वो सारे लोगों के यहाँ पे खुद जाके देखिए, वहां पे आपको उनका सेटअप समझ में आएगा, उनके लोगों की एबिलिटीज आपको समझ में आएगी, और उनका जो खुद का जो ये है पैशन है वो भी समझ में आएगा। मीट द ओनर ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ द कंपनी ऑल्सो, सो यू विल गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड देन यू टेक द डिसीजन। और सबसे आखिर में आप हमारे पास आइए, so that way you will definitely understand and you will also make out the difference between the companies, and it will help you to make a decision. So far as we are concerned, I can tell you that I can talk a lot about our company, but हर कोई अपने बारे में बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलता है, ऐसा सबको लगता है। तो इसके लिए मेरा सबसे ये सलाह है कि आप सबको देख लीजिए, आखिर में हमारे पास आइए, फिर हमको एनालाइज कीजिए, and then you take an informed decision. I'm sorry, I'm not able to give a direct answer on this, because दूसरों से कंपेयर करना मुझे नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि उनके बारे में फिर मुझे कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा जो शायद गलत भी हो सकता है।
यस मिस्टर पंकज, पंकज जी अनम्यूट कीजिए अपनी तरफ से।
हाँ सर, मेरा एक दो क्वेरी और हैं।
जी पंकज जी।
हाँ सर, एक तो ये कि जैसे जो हमारे ट्रेनर्स के जो ट्रेनिंग आप प्रोवाइड करेंगे, वो ऑनलाइन करेंगे या ऑफलाइन करेंगे?
सर आज की कंडीशन में तो ऑनलाइन ही करना पड़ेगा
जी,
क्योंकि ना आप ट्रैवल कर पाओगे, ना वो यहाँ पे कहीं रह पाएंगे, क्योंकि होटल्स भी अभी बंद है।
ठीक है,
तो
ठीक है।
अभी तो हम ऑनलाइन करेंगे, और हमको ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग करने में इसमें काफी एक्सपीरियंस है। हमने केनिया, टांजानिया, जर्मनी, फ्रांस, यहाँ के लोगों को भी हमने ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग दिया है
जी,
और उनको लोगों को ठीक से समझ में भी आया है। और अपने तो जो यहाँ के जो लोग हैं, तो वो तो अपने तो इंडियंस है, तो लैंग्वेज का कोई बैरियर नहीं होगा, कल्चरल बैरियर कुछ नहीं होगा, तो अच्छी तरह से वो समझ पाएंगे। तो इसमें ये होगा कि किड्स पहले आपके पास चले जाएंगी
जी, और
फिर हम उन लोगों को ट्रेनिंग देंगे। अभी आपके जो ट्रेनर्स है, वो उसका प्रोफाइल जो है वो हमको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर लगता है।
ओके।
तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर जो है उसको आईटी का भी नॉलेज होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का भी होता है, और मैकेनिकल का भी थोड़ा बहुत होता है।
ठीक है,
तो उनको ट्रेन करना आसान जाता है।
ओके सर।
जी सर। और
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था मेरा
जी सर,
कि अगर कोई पेरेंट्स अगर चाहते हैं कि उनको रोबोट लेना है अपने बच्चों को शो करने के लिए घर में, तो क्या वो हम लोग सेल भी कर सकते हैं आपसे लेकर के?
Yes, sir. Of course, sir. There are various other robots like 1,500 rupees का है, 2,500 है, 3,500 है, अलग अलग अमाउंट्स के है रोबोट्स, जो कम रेट में अभी हम देते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे जो किट्स जो आपको हम दे रहे हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा कैपेबिलिटीज वाले हैं, बिकॉज आपको ट्रेनिंग करना है उसके ऊपर, और वही किट आपको स्कूल के बच्चे और कॉलेज के बच्चे और जो प्रोफेशनल आते हैं उनको भी ट्रेन करना है वो किट के ऊपर। तो इसके लिए वो किट्स में काफी ज्यादा वो होता है, क्या बोलते हैं, मटेरियल होता है। बट अदरवाइज वी हैव डेवलप्ड वेरियस अदर किट्स फ्रॉम रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 1200 रुपया टू 8,500 रुपया, जिसमें वो कभी भी आपसे ले सकते हैं।
ठीक है, तो उसमें उसके लिए कुछ मतलब हम ऑथराइज्ड होंगे उस फ्रेंचाइजी के अंदर?
यस सर, और आपको उसमें अच्छा खासा मार्जिन भी है, अबाउट 30 to 35% का मार्जिन है हर किट में।
ओके सर, ओके, थैंक यू सर।
जी सर।
ओके, क्लियर।
सर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, मिस सयाली पाटिल हैं शिरडी से, वो जानना चाह रहे हैं शिरडी में स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं फ्रेंचाइज?
हाँ, जरूर शुरू कर सकते हैं शिर्डी में सायली जी आप। शिर्डीमध्ये खूप चांगला स्कोप आहे शिर्डीमध्ये आणि आजूबाजूच्या एरियामध्ये तिथं खूप चांगल्या शाळा पण आहेत, त्यामुळे तुम्ही तिथं चांगल्या पद्धतीने चालू करू शकतात आणि तिथं तुम्हाला रिस्पॉन्स पण चांगला मिळेल। त्याच्यासाठी एक वेगळं बिझनेस मॉडेल आम्ही तुम्हाला देऊ। शिर्डी बहुत बड़ी जगह नहीं है, शिर्डी छोटी जगह है। तो जो अभी हमने जो बिजनेस मॉडल जो डिस्कस किया था फॉर 2 लाख रुपीज वगैरह, तो वो नहीं होगा, उससे कम में शिर्डी में जाएगा। तो इन्वेस्टमेंट उनके लिए कम होगी शिर्डी में।
थैंक्स विनय सर। डियर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, वी हैव ओनली 5 मिनट्स लेफ्ट। अगर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है या क्वेरीज हैं तो प्लीज आप विनय सर से डायरेक्टली बात कर सकते हैं। चैट बॉक्स में जाइए, वहां पे जाके रेज हैंड कर सकते हैं या चैट बॉक्स में अपना क्वेश्चन ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं। और आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में अपना नाम, अपना नंबर, मेल आईडी, सिटी जरूर ड्रॉप करें। थैंक्स। ओके डियर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, आज हमने इंडिया बेस्ट रोबोटिक्स एजुकेशन ब्रांड इंडिया फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स के बारे में मिस्टर विनय जी से जाना। एंड वी होप कि आपको यह सेशन काफी पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपको इस ब्रांड की फ्रेंचाइज बनकर एक एश्योर्ड अर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी चाहिए तो प्लीज आप डायरेक्ट विनय जी से इस नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। प्लीज नोट डाउन द कांटेक्ट नंबर, इट्स 8447675555। Am I right, sir?
Yes ma'am, yes sir.
Yeah, Vinay sir, can you hear me? Yeah.
हाँ जी sir.
Yeah, dear friends, I repeat again, it's 8447675555। अगर आपने यह वेबिनार लेट अटेंड किया है तो प्लीज आप franchiseapply.com के फेसबुक पेज पर जाकर इस पूरे वेबिनार सेशन को अगेन पूरा देख सकते हैं। एंड थैंक्स अ लॉट, हेलो विनय सर, थैंक्स अ लॉट सर फॉर एड्रेसिंग टुडे वेबिनार सेशन।
Thank you very much, Ashok ji. Thank you for arranging this webinar, and it was a great webinar. I also thank all the participants to having me heard patiently and ask all the questions. I hope we can connect with each other again and we can discuss more in detail. Thank you very much.
Thanks, sir. Dear participants, if you have any query for our upcoming webinar, then you can directly call us. Our contact number is 8239455677। I repeat again, it's 8239455677।